Anka 220 to 240 volt mains-powered interconnected smoke alarm, engineered for reliable fire safety in residential and commercial environments. Designed with installer safety and efficiency in mind, the alarm features a user-friendly installation mechanism. Secure the base to the ceiling as the first step. Step 2. Align the detector with the base and push it into place. This one-handed operation eliminates the need for additional support to hold the detector during installation, significantly reducing safety risks for installers working at height while streamlining the process. 10 years backup battery, fully certified to meet global safety standards. The alarm complies with CE EN14604 and AS3786 requirements. Complies with CE EN14604 and AS3786 requirements.